What's up? What's up? Welcome back to the video. Welcome back. It's Vlogmas, and if you can't tell already, we are super festive around these parts. So today is December 4th, and so that's probably, well, Vlogmas day 4 for us, because we are going to be doing Vlogmas a little bit different this year. We didn't do it last year. We did it 2018 December. So this year we're doing it very different because I don't think that I can keep up. Let me just put this here because I'm making my porridge. I don't think, guys, that I could keep up with the editing for every day. Like I just can't do it. Where's my porridge? Oh yeah, I just can't do it. So hold on. So yeah, so basically I'm going to we're gonna do like a weekly Vlogmas kind of thing, right? I think that's better for us because it's, you know, allows us to edit maybe just 1 or 2 videos as opposed to everyday videos. Hey Tete.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to make my porridge not so thick because it.
Then use water. Not
I did.
milk.
I need to sweeten it anyways.
Too
I'm gonna
much.
put some water in it. Anyways, guys, so stay tuned. Getting my porridge all right so I could go sit down and do some work. Already did some work this morning, but let go. So what I'm doing right now, guys, I have 100 of these cards and I'm going to assemble 20 at a time. So I already have the first 20 done or collated, and then I'm gonna wrap them up.
Has anyone ever told you you were born to wear a tuxedo?
You? Every time I wear a tuxedo.
Last of it.
I hate to interrupt the smooch fest, but
Hey y'all, we're back. We took a long break because I was like deep in organizing and packing boxes so that when the orders come in, I'll be prepared. Child, let's go, girl. Faker. Stop faking, they see you.
I don't want to go out.
You're such a faker.
I'm not.
You are a faker.
I don't want to go out.
Here's the packaging. It says, obviously, you have great taste, which you do. So thanks to everyone that has placed an order for Black Friday for the sale that we had for the new collection. We appreciate you so much. I appreciate you so much. So these are 4 orders that are going out, and can you stop? Stop it, Taylor. I'm serious. Stop. Stop it. I'm about to stop it.
Wait, guys. Give me the hat. Give me the hat.
You're gonna make the place close. Stop,
Give me the
Taylor.
hat.
Taylor, stop.
I want you to go out. Your hair looks nice.
You're just trying to embarrass me.
Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be next year. Okay, so one of the quotes is.
I'm listening.
One of the quotes is, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams."
I know that quote.
If your dreams don't scare you, they're too small.
Oh guys, all right, so we're driving. Taylor and I were talking about like different quotes to keep you, you know, inspired and all that stuff. We're also talking about Santa, which you saw. But I do want to just take this moment to, you know, thank you guys so much for getting us to 600 subscribers. Yeah, just let me finish what I'm saying. So thank you so much for getting us to 600 subscribers. We really appreciate that. The challenge is on to get us to 700, guys. Now our goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so we're really asking for your support to, you know, watch our videos. You know, I think they're pretty cool. I think they're pretty fun, you know. And if it's not your thing, share it with somebody else who might find it like fun or interesting. Maybe, you know, our videos aren't your thing, but that doesn't mean that you can't share it. It doesn't mean that you can't like it, right? So send it on. Don't just let it sit with you, okay? Pass on the love to somebody else. The Matthews, so much. We're so grateful for you guys. And, you know, again, hit that subscribe button. Like by hitting the thumbs up, and share and subscribe. All right, guys, we are continuing our journey to get lunch and to drop off these packages at the post office. So we'll see you in a few.
In a way that's different from who we are. This song is very sad, and it's making me cry. Faith, it gives me strength to believe. We're breaking free, soaring, flying. There's not a storm in hell.
Taylor wants to sing Christmas carols. This is Somerville, guys. Go ahead, go sing your carols. Are you gonna sing it right here? Stand right here. Oh, look in front of it. Look, there's a Santa thing in front. A sleigh. How cool.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell day and jingle bell play, dancing and prancing, have a wonderful day.
You have to sing so we can hear you. It's the right time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, quick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle and jingle with. You see, she was happy, she was dancing. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock. This is so good, guys. I always get it like number 4 spicy. And I always get the Thai iced tea as well. Look at this. Yum, 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 yum. This looks so good. All right, let me go dig in. Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Okay, guys, so today I have an event that I'm going to at 11 a.m. It is now almost 9 a.m. so I have to wake Taylor up, get her fed, take her to the barbershop because she can't come with us. So let me put this here. So, I'm gonna try and figure out what I'm wearing because I don't know. My hair is a mess. I'm just gonna show y'all a piece. Taylor tried to braid it last night. It's a mess. So I'm gonna make my bed, pack up our laundry, bless me, to be dropped off and get Taylor some breakfast. So, Lego people.
The most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny nose.
So as you guys can see, Taylor's all dressed and ready to go. She's gonna have her porridge. You like her outfit? Strike a pose, girl. Strike a pose. Strike a pose, girl. All right, come eat. We don't have a lot of time. Alright guys, so we didn't get to come back because, as usual, I'm rushing out the house. I'm on the phone with Hub. Say hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
Whatever, dude. I did my own makeup. I think I'm getting a little better with it. Taylor braided the front of my hair and it looks really nice. So I think that's something that I'm going to start doing from now on. Thank you.
We have alcohol if you don't want alcohol.
I want alcohol. Okay, thank you. I absolutely want alcohol. Waiting for the surprise couple. Wait, they're like, what are these people doing here? Hi guys. Hello. Hi guys. Hi. This is for you. This is your party. No, it was not their party. Just keep watching. You'll see. Girls coming. Gosh, so beautiful. So beautiful. You guys loving this surprise right here. Tell them, Allison.
Big surprise, and both our husbands are highly disappointed they weren't here.
Yeah.
So, Coast, you need to do this over just for them.
They'll get pictures in the video. They'll be okay. They'll be all right. But we're eating right now. We had some beef patty as appetizer. We have small plates, rice. This is jollof rice with chicken. Allison not digging at the people in food.
I'm gonna eat from morning, okay? Because I was coming to a brunch.
Right?
I didn't think a wedding, but I'm happy nonetheless.
Best wedding. You have an idea? Have a wedding? Do it surprise. You get rid of a lot of the guest list. Y'all know I love my belly, so got my chicken. Allison is too stush to eat our bone out in public.
Very much so. That is for home. Meanwhile, no, the show them already in their plate. Meanwhile, the scraps is.
Listen, when bone tastes good, bone for eat.
Jingle bell, 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 bell.